Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Robertson Rottie Ranch. And today I want to talk about one of the most versatile and hardworking fruits on the homestead, lemons. And here at the Robertson Rottie Ranch, we brought up 5 different lemon varieties with us from Norfolk, including a beautiful variegated lemon and a pink lemonade lemon tree. And we carefully transitioned them so that they could make their home here in the Blue Ridge Mountains. By growing multiple varieties, we're able to enjoy differences in flavor, fruiting habits, and timing. And that helps ensure that we have lemons available for a wide range of uses throughout the entire season. That kind of diversity matters when you're building a resilient homestead. And from a health perspective, lemons are incredibly supportive to everyday wellness. They're rich in vitamin C, which supports immune health, collagen production, and overall cellular repair. Lemons also stimulate digestive enzymes and support liver function, making them a longtime favorite for gentle daily detox support. Lemons are traditionally used to support digestion, immune resilience, hydration, skin health, mineral absorption, and overall metabolic balance. The peels are especially valuable. Lemon peels contain essential oils and antioxidants, which help support digestion, liver health, and natural cleansing processes. Using the peel helps reduce waste and turns a simple fruit into a multi-purpose tool. And on the homestead, lemons are incredibly useful. We use them fresh for cooking, baking, and flavoring. Lemon water and teas are staples for digestion and hydration. The zest and peels are used in herbal blends, infused honey, and vinegar. Lemon peels can also be infused into vinegar to create natural household cleansers and deodorizers, making lemons useful well beyond the kitchen. Preserved lemons allow us to extend the harvest even further, and dried peels can be saved for teas, sachets, and freshening spaces around the home. Lemon trees themselves bring beauty and brightness into the homestead, especially varieties like the variegated lemon and our pink lemonade lemon tree, which add visual interest along with the fruit production. And here at the Robertson Rottie Ranch, we focus on growing foods that support wellness, sustainability, and daily ranch life in practical ways. And lemons do all of that, nourishing the body and supporting the home, and offering abundance year after year. How do you use lemons most? For health, cooking, or cleaning? Let me know, and we'll see you next time. Bye.